Today on VMware Partner Focus, I'm going to be talking with my good friend Dharma Rajan, who is the lead NFV architect. Dharma is coming to us today from Barcelona, Spain, where he has just finished VMworld Europe 2017. Dharma, thanks for joining us today here on Partner Focus.
Thanks, Brian. Thanks for having me.
I've invited you today because we want to hear a little bit about these exciting announcements that VMware just made. So tell us a little bit about Integrated OpenStack 4.0, the Carrier Edition.
Yeah, sure. So as you know, OpenStack is a cloud management application programming interface for building and managing public and private clouds. It's not a virtualization platform and works best when used with best-in-class virtualization platform like VMware, vSphere for compute virtualization, vSAN for storage virtualization, NSX for network virtualization. And NFV is one of the use cases where communication service providers are testing and considering OpenStack. So in the light of it, the key operational functions that you see for any cloud architecture is the need to reduce operational complexity. So with that perspective, what is essential is a tighter integration with the best-in-class infrastructure, which is highly reliable, performance-rich, scalable platform that any NFV solution can use. And what we introduced, the VMware Integrated OpenStack Carrier Edition, essentially meets that need as a virtual infrastructure manager and provides carrier class features like resource reservations, say secure multi-tenancy, elastic scaling, enhanced platform awareness, etc. So with the ability to simplify deployments and having that tighter integration with underlying secure infrastructure is what the VMware vCloud NFV OpenStack Carrier Edition provides. And it also provides the ability to do non-service impacting upgrade and patching. So it's essentially really a carrier class edition.
So it's industrial strength OpenStack.
Yes, yes.
Dharma, this sounds very interesting and very exciting. What are the core benefits of this new OpenStack Carrier Edition?
So the VMware vCloud NFV Integrated OpenStack includes a set of core features and an additional set of features very specifically for telco NFV. And this is of great relevance to communication service providers. This distribution complies with OpenStack Foundation interoperability guidelines. And at the same time, it is based on the latest Okata distribution of OpenStack with various incremental support that is added from a scalability and a high availability point of view, along with certain advanced logging feature, log analytics, and ability to do root cause analysis. Now, we also support fully integrated native containers as well as Kubernetes support as part of this. And this helps to run container-based virtual network functions through integrated container management, enabling different virtual machines and container-based virtual network functions to run using a single virtual infrastructure manager. Now, for a carrier-specific feature set, there are certain abilities to get secure multi-tenancy with resource-level tenant isolation. And there is guaranteed availability along with dynamic scaling, increased data plane performance using various techniques. And there are multiple advanced networking features that makes this edition of VMware Integrated OpenStack as a good alternative VIM of choice for service providers.
And Dharma, this is a very exciting platform for the telco industry. And I'd like to talk a little bit now, have you talk a little bit about the overall architecture of NFV and how this new offer really completes the architecture that VMware have been working on for many years. So talk about the overall perspective.
VMware provides a vCloud NFV platform with a network function virtualization infrastructure layer. And this layer consists of the core infrastructure virtualization component, which is vSphere, vSAN, and NSX, and virtual infrastructure manager and operation and administration functions, which commonly in telecom world is called OAMNP. Now, VMware supports two types of virtual infrastructure manager. One is called the VMware vCloud Director, and the other, that's what we introduced now, which is a VMware Integrated OpenStack Carrier Edition. Now, communication service providers can select any virtual infrastructure manager that would meet their use case and solution needs, as both virtual infrastructure managers are agnostic to any type of virtual network functions or virtual network function managers.
So Dharma, thank you for taking some time to explain the NFV platform, the OpenStack Carrier Edition announcement. I know there's a lot of excitement in Barcelona, and there's going to be a lot of excitement in our partner base and in our community base. So thank you for taking time with us today on Partner Focus. Where can people go to learn more about NFV and about OpenStack Carrier Grade?
So folks can go to the VMware webpage, www.vmware.com/go/NFV, which is the main landing page for NFV. From there, you get different links for the different solutions that we support, as well as case studies and the links for the current announcement that we made on OpenStack 4.0 Carrier Edition. And this will be very useful because as communication service provider take up their journey for NFV as well as with 5G and IoT, the VMware vCloud NFV platform becomes the right choice for them to implement the emerging technologies.
Wonderful. Well, you've heard Raja say it. It's the right platform choice. The time to move is now. He's given you the links at the bottom of the screen for you to begin your learning journey and your technology journey. Please reach out to your VMware representative. Let us know how we can help you in that journey as well. Safe travels to you, Raja. Thank you all for joining us today on Partner Focus. Have a great day, everybody.
Thanks, Brian. Thanks for having me.
You're very welcome.